Good morning, class 2. Today I will take your GK class, right? So, as you all know that we have already started chapter 2 of your book, and you now know that this is your book, right? Junior Knowledge Part 2. So, open your book at page number 2. Page number 2. And in this class, we will do number 2 exercise, that is names of oceans. In the previous class we have already started with the chapter, that is number 2 chapter, continents and oceans, right? And I have already discussed about continents and oceans, how many continents are there and what makes up a continent, then how many oceans are there, how many continents are there on the earth, right? So how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. What are they? Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North America, South America and Antarctica, right? These are 7 continents. And then we discussed about the 5 oceans. What are the 5 oceans? Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. And after that we have completed exercise number 1, that is name of the continents you are supposed to write here. See, and this one you have already done, right? Now we will do number 2. What you have to do here is you have to write down the name of the oceans. Okay. See, blanks are given here. Blanks are given. Which ocean is this? Which ocean is this? So ocean lies between the continents. We know that oceans lies between the continents. So this is an ocean. This portion is an ocean. This is an ocean. So you have to write down the name. Numbers are given accordingly. You have to write down the names of the oceans indicated in the picture, right? See, number 1 on the top. So which ocean is this? Number 1. So here you have to write, this is Arctic Ocean. A-R-T-I-C, Arctic. Write down A-R-T-I-C, Arctic Ocean. So this is Arctic Ocean. Number 1, Arctic Ocean. Okay. Then come to number 2. Number 2, where is number 2? This ocean. This is number 2. Now here you have to write down which ocean is this. So this is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic. Write down A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C, Atlantic. Once again, I'll spell A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C, Atlantic. So here you have written Atlantic Ocean. Then come to number 3. Number 3, this side. This side. This is the biggest ocean. Okay. See, this is the biggest ocean. So this is Pacific Ocean. Pacific. Number 3 is Pacific. Write down P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific. This is Pacific Ocean. P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific. Written. Now come to number 4. Come to number 4. See, this is number 4. This is Indian Ocean. Where is India? See here, India lies here. So this is Indian Ocean. Okay. So write down number 4. In the gap number 4, you write Indian. I-N-D-I-A-N. Indian. Okay, number 4 is Indian Ocean. See, this is Indian Ocean. I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian Ocean. Then come to number 5. So this is in the southmost part. See, this is Southern Ocean. This is number 5 is Southern Ocean. Write down Southern. S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, Southern. Okay, so this one is Southern Ocean. S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, Southern. Okay, so this way we have completed this exercise. Like number 1 is Arctic Ocean, number 2 is Atlantic Ocean, number 3 is Pacific Ocean, number 4 is Indian Ocean, and number 5 is Southern Ocean. Okay, now come to page number 3. Come to page number 3. Let us see what we are supposed to do here. Tick the correct answer. Okay, here you will get 8 questions, and beside this you will get 3 options for each question. Okay, one among these 3, one will be the correct answer. Okay, so 3 options are given for one question. So one of them is the correct answer. So you have to tick the correct answer here. Like number 1, India is in the biggest continent. That continent is, India is in which continent? Do you know India is in which continent? And that continent is the biggest continent. Okay, so here number A option, Africa, B is Asia, and the C third option is North America. So which is the correct answer? Number B, Asia. So you will put a tick here in number B. So India lies in the continent of Asia, which is the biggest continent. Okay, which is the correct answer here? Number B. Now come to number 2. The smallest continent is, which is the smallest continent? Asia, and option number 1, Asia, option number 2, Europe, and number 3 is Australia. So which is the correct answer here? Which is the smallest continent? See, Europe is the smallest continent. You can see in the picture also. See, this is number 3. See, in the previous picture we have identified Europe. See, this is the smallest continent, right? This is the smallest continent. So which is the smallest continent? Europe. So come to page number 3. So question number 2, the correct option is Europe, that is number B. Now come to number 3, the biggest ocean is which is the biggest ocean? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, or Pacific Ocean? So it is Pacific Ocean. I have already showed you and I have told you also, right? So for question number 3, C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Okay, Pacific Ocean. Then number 4, the Indian Ocean is below Asia, between Africa and, now see, Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean is below Asia. We have seen in the picture also in the map. Okay, the Indian Ocean is below Asia, and it lies between Africa and, Indian Ocean lies between Africa and Australia, or Africa and South America, or Africa and Europe. It lies between, Indian Ocean lies between Africa and Australia. So here Australia is the correct answer. Australia is the correct answer for number 4. Okay, Australia is the correct answer. Then come to, this is for question number 4, B is the correct answer. Now come to number 5, the ocean between South America and Africa. What is the name of the ocean that lies between South Africa and South America and Africa? You can see, look at the map. Okay, name of the ocean that lies between South America and Africa. South America and Africa. Which is this ocean? This ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Okay, this is Atlantic Ocean. You can see here also. Number 5, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean lies between South America and Africa. Okay. Now come to number 6, the only continent that has no countries. Now, yes, the only continent that has no countries. One continent is there within which there is no country. That is Antarctica. That is number A. Number A. Antarctica. Okay, Antarctica. See, this is Antarctica. This is in the picture also. You can see this is Antarctica, and in this continent there lies no country. Okay, so 6 is the only continent that has no countries in it. Now come to number 7. The Himalayas are in Asia, Australia, or South America. Where are Himalayas? So Himalayas are in Asia. For number 7, A is the correct answer. For number 7, A is the correct answer. Okay, for number 7, A is the correct answer. Now come to number 8. The Nile is the longest river. You have heard about the river Nile, which is the longest river. So the Nile is the longest river. It is in. So the river Nile lies in which continent? Asia, Africa, or North America? So near river Nile, it lies in the continent of Africa. So here for question number 8, B is the correct answer. For question number 8, B is the correct answer, as river Nile lies in Africa. Okay. Now number 6, a sea is much smaller. This one is done. Number 3 is done. Number 4, a sea is much smaller than an ocean. As we all know, seas are smaller than oceans. Most seas are connected to oceans, and most of the seas are connected to oceans and are partly surrounded by land. And some seas are partly surrounded by land also, like Arabian Sea, Black Sea. Okay, these are the seas. So they are smaller in size than oceans, and most of the seas are connected to oceans and are partly surrounded by land. So see here, numbering done. A, B, C, D, E. Which do you think are C? Here A, B, C, D are marked here. Here, see, A, B, C, D all marked here. Among these, what do you think? Which are the C's here? So this is your homework. You will do this in this book itself and send it for correction. Okay, so for today, number 4 is your homework. Okay, 4 is your homework. So this one you will do and send it for correction. Among this, right? Suppose E is an ocean. E is an ocean, then you have to put a tick in E. That is an example I am giving. Suppose you don't think D is not an ocean. See, clearly you can find out. Say D. D is not an ocean. Okay. So because we know that seas are connected to ocean, so here we can find out that this D is not at all connected to any sea, and it is not surrounded by land also. So D is not, obviously D is not not a sea. It is an ocean. So you will put a cross near D. Okay, you will cross number D. This way you will do and send it for correction. Thank you.